Hi everyone, this is Anna from Hotoptionbabe.com. On the chart, I have a shot of the Aussie US dollar pair, and I want to show you. Last week, a lot of us were trading this, and I was pretty bearish on it last week. Said that we'd break the dollar mark, which we did briefly. Got to be a little bit oversold. Now, if you look here on the 60-minute chart and you draw a line, you can see that we got pretty good support here. Okay, it likes that. Now I'm going to draw, and I've got to try to do this with this crappy computer. Well, it's going to be close enough. And 101. There we go. And you can see that we hit support, we bounced off, and then we came up, and we're right now at this next resistance, level, Fibonacci level. So I do expect a bit more on it to bounce. It would actually create a head and shoulder pattern. So I am bearish on the Aussie longer term and with the dollar, and I am a bullish a little bit short term. Now we have the lower moving average crossing over the longer moving average, which generally portends an upward move. So I'm sort of looking for possible, and I'm saying possible because you can't ever predict anything perfectly, but possible, maybe around 110, somewhere around there, wherever this line is right here, 01. It's so hard with the Aussie. I hate the numbers. 0118, could be 0116. So those are the levels I'm looking for, and then probably a rollover to lower levels. You can see here on the 5-minute, it's a little bit oversold. You got a little baby head and shoulder here too. So, but we'll see how that plays out for this week. But like I said, on longer term, I'm bullish. Bullish short term for just a bounce, and then bearish longer term. I've got some computer problems, so you got to forgive me. This does not want to type in a symbol. It wants to hit, it sticks with the plus sign. So unfortunately, I've had a lot of technical issues with my computers lately, and that is no fun, as everybody knows. Let's take a look at crude oil. Got hammered last week. We came down, double bottom here, 85.10, double bottom. There was there's still a bear flag there. That's on the 5-minute. We may even come down and retest that level again. But on the longer term levels, it is so oversold. Okay, it is just down here in the oversold territory, as well as you have some bullish divergence showing that we should have some upward momentum. Most everybody knows that I tend to be bullish on crude in the longer term. So you can see you got your bullish divergence here. You have you had a lot of distribution here last week, but we still are holding this support level. Now you can see it really nice and clearly. Keeps coming down and keeps touching the support level right here. Okay, so this is a level you want to keep your eye on as far as crude. You want to look at the 4-hour, same thing, very oversold, and you can see this support level that it's clinging to. And let's look at the E-minis. And I want to tell you, in the lounge now, if you guys sign up, I teach charts all day long, technical analysis all day long on any stock, on any forex, on and any indice or future. Most of my students like for me, and I'm on all day. I'm on live all day, audio and video, teaching you charts and how to read them. So for $22 a week, you get some real good real good guidance and education, and I think a lot of people are learning a lot of things, and I think that's good. I think that's what you need to know, not just somebody tell you what to do or tell you this is a good trade, but to explain to you why it's a good entry or exit or why it's not. Now here we are. You can see this massive move up on the E-minis here. The accumulation is just ridiculous. I mean, this is about as high as I've ever seen it. You can see that it's just way up overbought. But then you still have that buy signal on the 4 hour, and you still have your stochastics pointing up. So 1340 will be your next level up if it decides it wants to go there, and it very well could. So you can see the stochastics, they can bump along here for quite a while, and on the daily, you've had steady bearish divergence for a while, though. You can see that the amount of the move has gotten weaker and weaker. So it's still in that buy mode. And you can also see every time that 10 crosses that 30-day moving average, you get this rip move up. And vice versa. If you see the 10 cross the 30, you get this rip movement down. These are all the things I talk about. We have a W formation here, and that tends to be very bullish. And a W formation. And the M formation is usually bearish. So as of right now, I don't know what this week will bring, but we'll have to see, and we'll have to keep an eye on all our charts. And I have no problem going long things, but I have to wait when the charts are so massively overdone. I just cannot jump in to wait from that pullback. I'll wait for that because it'll happen, and it always does. Sorry. Stupid thing is ticking here. As well, the transports have been actually lagging the general market, so they've got a little bit of catching up to do. So we were looking at some transports to trade. So that's pretty much. I'm going to keep it short. There's not a lot to go on as far as where we're going to go tomorrow, but it is options expiration, which normally means it's a bullish trend on the options expiration. Tuesday being the most bullish, Wednesday, and then usually a lot of chop Thursday and Friday. I hope everyone has a great week, and I'll see you soon, and hope to see you in the lounge where we have a lot of fun. Take care. Bye-bye.